Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Got exciting news. These are for the mobile mechanics, DIYers, or people who are thinking about mobile mechanics and they're trying to figure out what tools to buy. We have our own Amazon store. Every tool that we use in the videos and our recommended tools and products are in the Amazon store. The link is at the bottom of this video. If you are a beginner, we have beginner diagnosing machines, inexpensive tools that get you started. We do one-on-one consultations too at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. Click on book appointment and you could talk to us one-on-one, or you can go directly to our store and you can browse and choose. We have like 10 to 15 different categories, from adhesives, cleaning products, cameras you can put inside your truck that films outside and also films inside, just in case you're taking customers around or you're a Lyft driver or Uber driver. It records on the inside and the outside just in case there's an accident, blah, blah, blah. We have diagnostic machines for all levels of expertise knowledge, from the beginners all the way to expertise, whatever you need to do. Also, we do one-on-one consultations at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. You click on book appointment and click on one-on-one consultation. Also, with the one-on-one consultation, we give you 9 documents, business documents for about 80 pages. We email them free of charge if you do one-on-one consultations. If you don't need any of that stuff, or you can buy the documents separately if you want to at the same website. You just click on the blue button instead of book appointment, or you can just go to our store and buy whatever you need and the stuff that we recommend that we use every single day. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you found any value to this video, any shape, from away, hit that super thanks button. And what we do is we call it iron sharpening iron. All we do is take the money, put into a separate account, and those that are in need and they can't afford the full repairs, we take the money that you guys donated to us through the Super Thanks or the Cash App that's in the link, and we turn it around and we help other people. Thank you.